Students like us, you think without a study loan we can survive? No, we can't survive.
Hi, welcome back to My English YouTube channel. This channel is for you to learn unusual but very useful English phrases. Before we get into today's topic, let me remind you, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button. I have a taste for all of them. After grabbing a bite, then I went home to do my assignment.
Hello?
Hello, Professor here.
Yes, sir.
Doing my work? Can you hear me?
I'm doing the PowerPoint right now.
Progress okay? Or you want me to pull the plug on your study loan?
No!
I'm now losing my patience with you.
Yeah, I will send the file to you at like 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I promise.
So, it is particularly important for us to understand this phrase. Pull the plug on. Pull the plug on. To pull the plug on, or to pull the plug on something, it means to stop supporting something, or to discontinue something. In essence, this phrase comes from the medical world. If you pull the plug on the machines that are keeping people alive, it means we remove the life support from the patient, and the patient will die. So when we say to pull the plug on a program, it means we terminate that program because we no longer give financial support. Another example is, the government will pull the plug on a free Wi-Fi zone project. So we'll stop this project since there is no financial support from the government anymore. And now let's see how we can use this phrase based on the following modified movie clip. Enjoy it.
3, 2, 1.
Who has been shouting and screaming there as though you have nothing to do, huh? Oh, you are the one.
Boss, I was just asking for my lunch. I'm very hungry.
What time do you call this? And from now on, I will pull the plug on the free lunch program and you don't ask for any more lunches. No more lunch. Such a bugger. Can't you see? I don't owe you a single cent. Work means work.
I'm here to get my lunch.
Didn't you hear me? Go claim the lunch from your grandmother. Get lost. And you, pull yourself a chicken to get free chicken rice. Go make yourself busy. Why do you guys just ask yourselves what you can give to a company in the first place? This is exactly what I want to see. Very hardworking, but still, no lunch. Out of my way. Ow, that hurt. Anyway, it hurts too if my professor pulls the plug on my study loan. No way. So I could leave to do my assignment. Bye guys.